Hey everyone, welcome back. So in this video I'm gonna show you guys how you can use the reduce method. So let's write reduce method over here. So what this does, this will take the values of the array and it will start from one point and it will add up all the numbers and give you the return value. So let's see this in live action. So let's have one array. First array is array 1, and here let's have 5 numbers, 5 4. So 5 4, if I just add 5 4, it will be 20, but I want to use the reduce method to get this number. So in order to do that, I have to write another variable, and let's name this array 2, and I'm going to use this one and dot reduce, and here I'm gonna write two parameter. One will be accumulator and the other one will be these individual items. So I can just write item. So this item represents each individual number over here, 44444. So what I want to do now, I want to have the accumulator plus item, and I want to start from 0. So what this will do, this will start from 0 and this will add all these numbers. So 0 plus 4 is equal to 4, 4 plus 4 is equal to 8, then 12, 16 and 20. So this way this will show me the result of 20. So if I just console log this and write array 2 and hit save, I should be able to see here 20. So you can see 20 over here. But if I change the value of 0 over here, if I just make it, I don't know, 30, then this will take 30, then add these numbers with 30. So 30 plus 4 equal to 34, then 38, 42, 46, then 50. So if I just hit save, it should give me not 60, 50. 30 plus 20 is equal to 50. So I should be able to see 50. Here you go. So this way you can use the reduce method. It will come handy a lot of times when you are dealing with real-time application, real projects. So yeah, that's very easy to understand. If you have any confusion with this, do let me know in the comment section, and I'll try my best to clear your confusion. Yeah, I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Till then, everyone, take care.